What's up everyone? Today, we're at nasi goreng, a popular Indonesian fried rice dish. You know, the more I learn about Indonesian food, the more I get inspired to try more of it. Nasi goreng is simply one of the best dishes I've had so far. It starts out with the perfect mix of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors, achieved through the use of lime juice, fish sauce, garlic, and onion. The fried rice is cooked to perfection, with each grain maintaining its own texture and aroma. But wait, there's more. A typical nasi goreng plate also comes with a variety of toppings. Some common additions include fried eggs, diced tomatoes, and thinly sliced green onions. All these elements work in harmony to create a delightful flavor profile, which is further enhanced by the dipping sauce. This sauce, which is typically made from a combination of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and ketchup, adds a tangy and savory element to the dish. And there you have it, folks. Nasi goreng, a true culinary gem from Indonesia. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. Trust me, once you've experienced the delicious and satisfying flavors of this dish, you'll never want to go back to any other fried rice on the menu.